Hey, thanks for joining us on BWC Publishing Channel. I'm Wayne. Today I picked up another Transformer. This one is Bumblebee. You see it? Only takes 3 steps, it says. So we'll open this up and see how it works. Hang around for the endings, because sometimes we have a surprise ending, you never know. Okay, let's go. Alright, here is Bumblebee. The yellow, he turns into a car. It says on the back, 3 easy steps. Let's see just how easy those steps are. Let's get him open and see what we can do here, okay? There he is. Looks like instructions here. Says Autobot Bumblebee. Let's see what they look like here. Yeah, 1, 2, looks like 3 easy steps. Alright. Get a little close-up of him, see how he looks. There he is. What do you say we get started? Alright, first thing you do is you push the shoulders up and in, like that, up and in. They connect, okay? Now you lay him down like so, and you fold the back in like this, and you fold this one in. They connect. There's your car. Alright, relatively easy thing to do. Alright, let's unfold him now. Fold these back down like so. Just like that, okay? Then he stands up. Pull his arms out, or his shoulders out, like that, and down, that and down. There he is. Alright. Pretty nice little setup, just 3 steps.